Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the simplest causes so you can focus on the remote itself. Replace the batteries with fresh cells, double-check polarity, and use the exact battery type recommended. Once done, power cycle the TV or device by unplugging it for 30 seconds to clear transient faults. Make sure the IR window on the device and the remote's emitter are clean. Bright sunlight or direct lamps can swamp infrared signals, so move closer and test again. Next, focus on communication and configuration. If you have a universal remote, run the reprogramming or pairing sequence using the correct device code. Follow its manual steps precisely so the remote sends the right commands. Once paired, cycle through modes like TV, aux, and DVD to confirm which functions work and which don't. Also, use a smartphone camera pointed at the remote's front while pressing buttons. If you see a faint pulse, the IR emitter is transmitting, even when the device doesn't respond. If reprogramming fails, perform a factory reset on the remote to clear corrupt settings, then re-enter codes from scratch. This often fixes mismatched command maps. If the IR emitter worked on camera but the device still ignores commands, try a known working remote or a manufacturer smartphone app. If those work, the universal remote's code mapping is the problem. Finally, consider switching to an RF or Bluetooth remote if compatible. If nothing helps, the device's receiver may be faulty. Check the manual or contact service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.